Data.world is an open data platform for individuals as well as enterprises. Data.world has plugins that allow its datasets to be used with analytics tools like Python and R, besides Excel. In this video, I will show you how to use a dataset from data.world inside Excel. Go to the homepage of data.world. Log in via your Google, GitHub or social media account. Search for a data topic you like. I am going to search for datasets on the English Premier League. Click on Explore this dataset and create a new project. You can explore this dataset inside data.world using SQL, Python and many other tools. The EPL dataset has statistics for each game of the league. Let's say we are interested in the trend of yellow cards by season. We can prepare this data using a simple SQL query on the original dataset. Run this query to see the outcome. Looks good. Let's save this query as yellow by season. Now let us go into Excel. Open a new blank workbook in Excel. Go to Insert, Add-in and search for the data.world add-in. Install the add-in. After the installation completes, you should see the data.world icons on the top bar. Let's import the dataset we have created earlier about yellow cards from the EPL project. Search for the EPL project and the yellow cards query. Click Import. Bingo! You have the data in Excel. You can publish an insight from Excel back to data.world. Let's create a chart showing the number of yellow cards by season. We will use Excel pivot charts. Once your chart is ready, click on Publish Insights. Browse and find the EPL project we created earlier. Add a title and a comment. Click OK and you are done. View this insight on data.world. Share it with your team. Isn't that cool?